We love money, but no one wants to work, bro. That's why drug dealing and being a runner is so appealing to the young boy. Why? Because he's 16 years old. He's gonna earn $200, maybe $250 a day as a runner. Yeah, and he starts off on $250 a day. Straight away, he's earning more money than his father is. So he's 16, his father's 40 something, and he's earning more money. So now it doesn't matter that it's haram income. Doesn't matter that this is ghadab money. Doesn't matter that this is gonna earn the wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because all he sees is what in front of him is money. And the very society in which he lives in is driven by money. I know brothers that are 30, he's telling me, brother, I want to retire by the time I'm 35. Retired. And I'm kicking back. And I wish, wallah, I wish he wants to retire at 35 so he can dedicate his life for deen. No. He wants to retire so he can indulge in dunya to the day he dies, bro. Because work is taking him away from his love, his real love, dunya. Cafes and restaurants. Fishing trips. We all like women. Who doesn't like women, bro? Woman makes your heart dance, bro. We love women, but no one wants to be married. Have you noticed? We love the idea of being with a woman. Who doesn't like the idea? We love women, but no one loves to be married. The commitments of being married, the sacrifices of being married, the challenges and the difficulties of being married is something a real man, a Rajal, knows and understands. But we don't. We're boys. We love women, but no one wants to be married. That's why zina is widespread.